Welcome to Catechism Street. Today's video, we will discuss about one of the central prayers in the Roman Catholicism, the Lord's Prayer, or the Our Father. Let's get started. The Our Father is a Christian prayer that holds significant importance in the Christian faith.
It is also known as the Lord's Prayer. This prayer is primarily based on the teachings of Jesus Christ.
The origins of the Lord's Prayer can be traced back to the book of Matthew in the Bible, specifically chapter 6 verses 9 to 13, where Jesus taught his disciples how to pray.
The prayer is also mentioned in a slightly different form in the book of Luke, chapter 11, verses 2 to 4. The prayer is attributed to Jesus, who taught it to his disciples as a model prayer to guide them in their communion with God.
The prayer begins with the words Our Father, which acknowledges God as a loving and caring father figure. It emphasizes the relationship between God and believers as a parent-child relationship, highlighting the concept of God's paternal love, guidance, and provision. Here is the text of the Lord's Prayer, as it is commonly recited.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
The Our Father is an essential prayer. Many Christians recite it during worship services, personal prayers, and as a part of their daily spiritual life. The Lord's Prayer serves as a guide for Christians to pray and express the relationship with God. It covers various aspects, including acknowledging and praising God, emphasizing His love, care, and guidance, and the believer's identity as a part of God's family. It serves as a foundation for our prayer, a reminder of God's paternal nature, and a call to live in accordance with His will. The Lord's Prayer connects our faith to our beloved God in seeking His will, asking for daily provision, seeking forgiveness, and protection from temptation and evil. The Our Father serves as a foundation for our prayer, a reminder of God's paternal nature and love, a call to live in accordance with His will.
Join us again in our next episode as we delve into more fascinating and enriching topics. God bless you and see you in the next episode.